Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on webinar and video conference with Jitsi Meet. Today we will discuss the new Multivendor add-on of Jitsi Meet, which allows you to create webinars from the Dokan Multivendor Plugin dashboard. Before we jump in, make sure you have the Jitsi Meet Ultimate and Dokan Multivendor plugins activated on your WordPress website. If you're unsure how to do this, don't worry. We've included a step-by-step guide in the video description below. Alright, let's get started. Head over to the New Add-ons menu in Jitsi Meet Ultimate. Here, you'll want to locate and install the Multivendor add-on for Jitsi Meet. Once that's done, don't forget to activate it. Now log into your Dokan vendor dashboard. You'll notice a fresh Jitsi Meet icon waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it to access the meeting menu. From there, select Add New. Provide a meeting title and change other settings as required. Once everything's just right, hit that Save Meeting button to move on to the next step. Now let's head over to the Products menu from the vendor dashboard. Here you can create a new product or edit an existing one. Select Jitsi Meet as product, and choose the meeting you just created. There you go. Your meeting is now ready to be sold as a product in your store. It's as simple as that. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more tips and tricks for mastering WordPress, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.